Okay, today, family cooking one. I'm going to do a quick potato rosti, get them soaking, and working on releasing the water from the potatoes. So I have one already peeled. I'm going to go ahead and peel another one. Okay. So I'm asking the water in these potatoes. Salt these. Mixing through. That salt's going to pull out a lot of moisture, and then you can already see. And then we'll squeeze that off. And we'll make our rosti mixture. Super easy potato rostis. Have a nice clean towel. So that out. Need to put potatoes in there. They're still quite wet. Remember, please press the subscribe button and like the video if you like rostis. Leave feedback if you know a better way. You want to help me out. I've done these a few times, but not a whole lot. I did work in a German restaurant for a while. Okay, now we're going to squeeze this out. Let's do it on the table so you can see how much comes out. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Clean myself up a little bit. Yeah? Come on in. Oh, we got our potato ball. Nice dry potatoes. Absolutely. Come on in, baby. This is family cooking life. We all get to help. Okay. Nice grated potatoes. Moisture's all sucked out. You can say hi to the camera.
Hi. Hi.
Say, this is family cooking life.
This is family cooking life.
I'm helping my dad make potato rostis.
I'm helping my dad to make potato rosti.
We got shallots. Beautiful, sweet shallots. I think I have too many, but that's okay. Okay, so we cut the ends off. These are gonna make you cry.
Cry?
Yeah, they burn your eyes. Yeah, so cover your eyes. Good job. You'll be okay. Daddy will get them in the mixture really fast. Okay? This. Slice them just like an onion. Really simple. Okay, so if you were a rosti, what would you be? What else would you put in it? So we got shallots. I'm gonna do one more shallot. What else should we put in it? And my borscht video, which I'm still editing. Should be out soon. We're gonna cook off some of our bacon here. We're gonna add some nice crispy bacon to our rostis.
Get cheese.
Yeah, I'm gonna grate it here in a second. You gonna help me?
I'm gonna grate it.
Okay.
Let's see. I wanna see if I can grate it by myself.
It's a little dangerous, so here's what we're gonna do. Pull your sleeves up. See these? They're sharp. Okay, so when you're grating, you should always have me around because you're not quite old enough to do grating by yourself yet. Okay?
But I can make banana pancakes.
Yeah. This is called what kind of cheese? It's a marble.
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 Stealing my cheese. Okay. About a half a cup in. You can steal that. You can eat that. Okay. We got some powdered parm. I don't use very much, but I won't get rid of it. I'm gonna throw some of that in our mix. You don't like parm. You never tried this one. Okay. Good cheese, man. salt it a little bit more. Drained off a lot. And freshly ground pepper. We're going to cook up our bacon nice and crispy. Then we're going to add it to our, what are these called? Potato Rostis?
Yeah.
Alright. You remembered. I think we need some green onions on there, huh? Yeah. What are you doing to my table?
I'm cleaning it.
Oh, okay.
I'm cleaning all the part off it.
Okay. You should tell everybody in the camera what kind of movies you like.
I like doing Tinkerbell.
You like Tinkerbell? That's your new thing right now? Last week it was Elsa and Anna.
Yeah, I like Elsa and Anna,
Mm-hmm.
Tinkerbell, but my favorite color is pink too.
Pink?
I like princesses
Yeah.
too.
We also, what do we do today? We colored what? What do we color?
Eggs.
We colored eggs. Yeah. Tomorrow, I think you get all your Easter bunny stuff. 2 eggs? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the bowl. We're going to crack it in there in case shells pop out, right? So put one there and one in your hand. So what I like to do,
What?
crack, and and yeah, there you go. A little bit crazy. Okay, let's make sure we got no shells in there. There's one. And if you're really worried, what can we do?
What?
We can strain it. Okay, so your best bet is you...
I'm worried.
What?
What?
Grab the egg. Here, I'm gonna watch the egg. Hold on. Okay. Hand. Do not squish it. So crack, don't squish. Grab your other hand with your thumb underneath and open like that. See? No eggshells. Oh, pretty good. Good job. Okay. So Dad's gonna mix that up. And we're gonna put it in with our potato. What? We're gonna make one here in a minute. Okay?
Can I try?
Try what? Huh?
Try that?
Nope, not this part. Too hot. Okay. This is gonna be the perfect pan to fry Rosti in. You watch. Okay.
Are you perfect?
Perfect.
Perfect.
Now we can take our bacon. Okay. Taste it. Throw it on there. I'm gonna throw a little bit of cream in there. Not much.
Can I try?
Yeah, you can help me pour the cream. Chop up. Yeah.
Oh, what is
2
that?
hands. Okay. I'll tell you when. Ready? When? It's good. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we're gonna go like this. Mix it up. We got cheese.
Smells like bacon.
Bacon, potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So much goodness.
I feel so good. I feel so happy, Dad.
Good. I think the consistency might be there. But in order to find out, what we do is we try one, right?
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna make a little Rosti for you and me, okay? Flat baby Rosti. Okay, let's do it.
What's that big rusty? Rusty.
See the color? That's what you want
I
all
like
throughout the Rosti. Then we're going to do it on the other side.
Hey, let me on.
And then oh, gotta let the little one on. What? See? Good, huh? Right. Now we're gonna Rosti this up. Then you and I are gonna try it. Okay? Sound good? Okay. You wanna try pickled cucumber? Or no, wait, a pickled cauliflower? Remember? I made cauliflowers the other day, but we haven't tried them. So we made these 2 days ago. Pickled shallots, which are wonderful. And pickled cauliflower. Let's see what these are. Jump up. Oh, they look good. Here you go. Give it a shot. Yeah, I'll try one. These are pickling. Good? Mmm. Mmm, those are perfect. You like them? Okay. You want a shallot or no? Or you had a shallot this morning. They were a little spicy, huh? Okay.
I like
Okay, let's see what this Rosti tastes like, okay? And I'm gonna cut some because I'll eat it hot, or you won't. I'll cut it in half.
tired, so I want to sit on the couch.
This is exactly. Cooked potato on the inside, nice and crisp on both sides. Perfect.
I want to stand here.
Perfect Rosti. Mm. Those are gonna be good tonight with our pork. Wow. Success. Now I'm gonna make a whole bunch of them. Then we'll just heat them up in the oven after. Thanks for watching. So good. Cheesy. Yummy. Bacon. Love it. My helper left. Come here, baby. Here.
Oh, baby, Bubba. Yeah.
Here you go. Hand up. Yeah, like that. Okay, eat it up. Quick. Good? Yeah? I got more here for you. Okay, thanks for watching our Rosti video.